She was a child.
It was great. It was great.
It wasn't a dream. It wasn't a dream.
You are very sick. You are very sick.
I was at home. I was at home. You weren't here. You weren't here.
He wasn't there! He wasn't there!
This wasn't my decision. This wasn't my decision. It was very beautiful. It was very beautiful.
His name was Giuseppe. His name was Giuseppe.
I was a star. I was a star.
Maybe he wasn't a good person. Maybe he wasn't a good person.
I know it wasn't easy. I know it wasn't easy.
My shoes were inside. My shoes were inside.
Jacques was right. Jacques was right.
Your back door was open. Your back door was open.
I think it was his last name. I think it was his last name.
My father was Billy Loomis. My father was Billy Loomis.
I was afraid. I was afraid.
He wasn't happy. He wasn't happy.